and Roly too. Lofty and Wendy join the crew. Bob and the gang have so much fun. Working together, they get the job done. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Pilchard and Bird, Travis and Spud, playing together like good friends should. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can.
Oh, can I have a go, Dizzy?
Oh, of course you can, Roly. Here it comes.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh dear!
Oh, what a save! The crowd goes wild.
Lofty, we've got to get on with that big roofing job today, so we'll need these tiles, OK? OK, Bob.
Sure. Dizzy races down the wing.
Hey, everyone, come and look at this.
What is it, Bob?
Look what we found when Lofty lifted the tiles.
Oh, it's a bird's nest.
And look what's inside it.
An egg.
An egg? Like the ones Bob has for breakfast?
No, Roly. I think this egg is going to hatch into a baby bird.
Oh, let me see. Hello, baby bird. Can you hear me in there?
I don't like the look of those tyres. They might fall on the nest at any moment.
We could move the nest somewhere safe.
Oh, no, Muck. You should never disturb or move a nest, especially one that has an egg in it. We should just leave it alone and try not to make any noise when we're near it.
I don't know where the mother bird is, but she certainly picked a bad spot to build her nest.
Oh, look! Here she comes now.
If that's the egg's mother, what does it make us?
Well, I suppose it makes us its aunts and uncles.
Wow! I've never been an auntie before.
Right, everyone. We've got work to do, except you, Roly. You can have the day off.
Whoa! Thanks, Bob.
Dizzy, why don't you stay here on Birdwatch? I won't need any cement until I start work on the chimney.
Oh, can I, Bob? Can I? Oh, that's brilliant. Don't worry, Mummy Bird. I'm going to look after you and your egg, because I'm your egg's auntie.
OK, let's go.
Can we fix it? Yes, we can.
Fancy a game, Dizzy?
I haven't got time to play, Roly. I'm looking after the nest.
Oh, all right then.
OK, Lofty, send up the tiles. OK, Bob.
Can I guard it? Yes, I can.
Well, Pilchard, I don't think you're going to have to worry about any more flying footballs today.
Oh, I'm bored. Ah. Dizzy's got the ball. She's racing down the wing, and then she goes. Wahey!
Good. That's all of today's letters finished. Oh, I wonder how Dizzy's getting on.
Can't catch me, Pilchard.
Dizzy? Pilchard?
Right. There's only one more defender to beat. Dizzy beats her. It's an open goal. Hey! Dizzy shoots.
Dizzy!
Hey!
Be careful, the nest!
Oh, no!
Oh, phew, that was close. Dizzy, you must be more careful where you kick your ball. You could have hit the nest. Even Pilcher was trying to stop you.
Oh, I didn't mean to kick it at the nest. Oh, really, I didn't. I was just... Oh, look! Oh, now I really am an auntie.
Good morning, Dizzy. How's our baby bird?
Oh, it's really cute and really fluffy. His mummy keeps feeding him. Look. It's really grown.
Morning, team. We should finish the tiling and repair the chimney today. Is everybody ready?
Yeah, we're ready, Bob, yeah!
Yeah, I think so. Come on, Dizzy. It's time to go.
But I've got to birdwatch.
I can do it if you like.
Good idea, Scoop.
Off you go, Dizzy. The sooner you're finished, the sooner you can come back.
Don't worry. I'll mix that cement faster than it's ever been mixed before. Do you need any cement yet, Bob?
Not yet, Dizzy. I've just got a few more tiles to lay. What's up, Dizzy?
Wendy says the baby bird is almost big enough to fly. I don't want to miss that. Now do you want any cement, Bob?
Not yet, Dizzy. I'll let you know when I do. OK, Dizzy. Get mixing.
Yippee! Hey!
Oh, dear. Dizzy, stop!
Oh, I thought if I mixed the cement quickly, I could get back to the nest.
Oh, I understand, Dizzy. Just hope there's enough left for the chimney. Good, good. I think that should be enough.
Oh, can I go now, Bob? Can I please?
Oh, go on then.
Yippee! Hey, here I come! Oh, I'm back.
So I see. I think you're just in time to see something really special. I think the baby bird's going to fly.
Oh, no! Oh, hooray! Good catch, Scoop.
Yes, well done. Oh, and look, it's going to try again.
Oh, catch him, Scoop! Yippee! I knew you could do it. Where are they going?
Now that the baby bird can fly, they don't need the nest anymore. They can go wherever they want. I think he's saying thank you.
Oh, that's all right. It was fun being an auntie.
Hello, team.
Baby bird learnt to fly, Bob. It flew away with its mum. But it said thank you to me first.
Oh, that's great. Maybe it will come back and visit you one day.
I wonder what Dizzy's going to do now they've gone.
Oh, I'm sure she'll think of something.
I'm an auntie. Yes, I am.
That's our Dizzy. She's always in a spin.